Hi, welcome to Probability and Statistics course. So in this one, I'm going to cover finding constants like mean variance for the normal distribution from the given problem statement. So this is the normal distribution table. So we have table. Then the problem is like this: in a normal distribution. Okay. So in a normal distribution, 7% of items under 35, 89% of items under 63 determine the mean and variance of the distribution. So you can see here in that problem they mentioned 7% of items under 35, 89% of items under 63. So 7% of items under 35 can be represented. So x less than 35 is 7%, that is 0.07. And the next statement is 89% of items under 63, that is probability of x less than 63. So under 63 means less than, so less than 63 we have 89%, that is 0.89. So if you see here in any one of this quantity which is more than 0.5, so we have to take opposite sign. So this same thing we can represent like a probability, because we know that the area under the curve is left side is half and right side is half of the mean line. So it is more than 0.5. It instead we what we are writing means probability of x less than 63. I'm taking probability x over 63. So when you are taking x is greater than or equals to 63, which is same as 1 minus, so instead we are saying 89% under 63, we say 11% of items over 63. So that means same meaning. So 1 minus probability of x less than 63. So what is that probability x less than 63 is so 1 minus 0.89. So 1 minus 0.89 is 0.11. So we are taking in these two constraints. Now we can see here we are calculating the g scores based on the condition. When it is 35, so when x value is less than 35, we have to get respect to g score. So let us consider this is the g score 1. So here g score z1 is equals to 35 minus mu by sigma. Okay. So g is less than means that is towards to the negative sign. So g is we are taking from that point, some point which is g1 from to that left side, and right side also we have to take. So as you can see here the point which is greater than 63, that we will do later. So first we are calculating g score 1. So if you take this g score is z1 is equals to 35 minus mu by sigma. So this is the area less than 35. How much percentage there? This is the blue shaded area is 7%. So this is 0.07. So if you see here, we know that the mean, I mean, under area under the curve, left side of the mean line is 0.5. So out of 0.5, 7% of items is here. So remaining 0.43, that is nothing but 43% of items is here. Okay. So this is I am just because this total area from here to here from the mean line, this is 0.5. Out of 0.5, this 7% of items under 35, remaining items is 0.43. So for the 0.43 we have to take the value from the table. So 0.43 where it is, like we have to find that one from the table. So 0.43, so 0.43 near value is 0.4306, which is 0.43, yeah, this is 1.4 and the decimal is 8. So this is the we are taking the area how many zero the not shaded area which is 0.43, that respect to g score value is z1 value is 1.48. So this we use there. So this is minus 1.48 because it is left side of the mean line, so we are taking minus sign. So minus 1.48. So in this one, I'm substituting where Z1 is minus 1.48 is the area same is equals to 35 minus mu by sigma. So just from that one, we are right framing a one equation. So that is 35 minus mu. The sigma I'm taking to the right side. So that will be minus 1.48 sigma. So this is one equation. And similarly, we are calculating the second equation also. So under 63, there is 89% items. So we are writing it is for over 63. So over 63 is 0.11%. So you can take in two directions. So this is the area which is 0.11. Otherwise, if you want to take 0.89, so from the starting point to here, where Z2 is 80, I mean Z2 is 63. I mean not 63. This is the X point is 63. So from the starting to here, it is 89. So we already known that half of the area is left side of the main line, so the rest of the area is 0.39. So here if it is 0.39, so then that respective value we have to take from the table. So the respective table value is 1.23. So 0.1.23 is the Z2 value. So we are writing the same expression under 63, that is x minus mu. So that is x is here 63 and mu by sigma, which is 89%. That 89% is represented as half is left side and remaining 39% is here. This 39% respect to table value is 1.23. So here 1.23 we are taking. So from this one also we are getting one equation. That equation is 63 minus mu is equals to 1.23 sigma. By solving equation 1 and 2, we are getting mu value is 50.3 and the variance is 106.75. Thank you.